Welcome back to my series Uber driver tips and Lyft driver tips, where I give you Uber tips and Lyft tips to help you make more money, get higher ratings, and overall have a way better time driving for Lyft and driving for Uber. This is a great pro tip, and that is having a credit card. Now I want to say right in the beginning of this video, I'm a former accountant, but I'm not your accountant. Everybody's situation is different, but overall, as we all know, when it comes to driving, there's a lot of expenses that you're gonna have. Gas is the most common one. You're gonna have to do more maintenance on your car. If you wanna actually buy goodies or snacks for your car in terms of maybe you have to buy, I don't know, like an aux cord, you have to buy all this different stuff. Another big one, and this is I think one that a lot of people overlook, is also tolls. I mean, if you think about it, especially, maybe not here in California, but in Boston, I remember that every single time I'd go through a toll, I'd get reimbursed for it. So let's say, especially let's say the airport toll is crazy. Let's say if I had, I don't know, let's say $40 in tolls for 1 week, Lyft and Uber would always reimburse me for that $40. So if you think about it, you spend 40 bucks, you get 40 bucks back. If you have a credit card, you can get points, goodies, and whatnot. And essentially, it's like getting those for free because, yeah, you're spending that $40, but then you're gonna get paid it back through Lyft and Uber. Don't get me wrong, there's a lot to credit cards, whether you get a cash back credit card, whether it's for, let's say, traveling where you get miles back or offers or goods or services, whatever the case is, having a credit card is an amazing way to build your credit. It shows people you can effectively manage debt and pay off that debt, and especially in the future, if you're looking to buy a car, like say you're just renting through Lyft and Uber, let's say you want to get a house, pretty much any single time you want to get a loan on anything, if you show a really high credit score, that is going to be huge to set you up for the future opportunities in life. Now, one thing I want to say, and I have to stress on this video as well, remember, the way credit card companies primarily make their money is from charging you interest. So, if you're somebody that, let's say, gets a credit card and then says, hey, you can spend maximum $5,000, and you see that, and you're like, oh, wow, I can spend $5,000 right now, and you blow through it, of course, don't get a credit card, right? So I want to stress that point that you don't want to get a credit card if you know you're going to be bad with it. If you know just, deep down inside, you're not going to be the most responsible person with a credit card, of course, don't get one. But for most people driving for Lyft and Uber, like I said, especially because you're going to be having so many expenses almost daily. I mean, especially if you drive a lot, there's a lot of expenses that pop up. Why not get a credit card? So any single time you spend money, any single time you pay with that credit card, you're getting pretty much free points, free discounts, free miles, whatever it is, on top of you driving.